Hello, hello. How you doing? It's my great honor to see you all. Well, today, right now, I'm just cooking the steamed fish with the leftover uh, beef and pork soup with the organic veggies, right? So before we start, right? So I just please subscribe and press the thumbs up like button, okay? And then uh, press the notification bell, okay? So that you won't miss the fantastic ongoing cooking shows. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what we have here is, as I just said, right? So I'm just steaming the freshly caught. Okay, so we have here, what do we have here is the horse mackerel, and the tiny one is sardines, right? So it's caught in somewhere in northern Japan. So it's a cold fish one, right? So this is easy. And then prior to this, I have already soaked into the just in case, as a part of prevention, right? So this time I used the apple cider vinegar and baking soda filled with e-spring purified water. Now, or you can use purified water of your choice, okay? But better to use purified water for many reasons. Okay, and then now, because this fish is kind of fragile, so you don't want to overkill. You don't want to put too much seasoning. So, because this is not a stinky one, so it's still fresh. So, again, what I can do, I'm gonna pour some organically made soy sauce. Okay, so this one, I'm just gonna pour this. So watch this. All right, just a little. So underneath the fish, it has about the thinly sliced fried tofu, because it absorbs the flavor of the fish, right? Then, you know what? I'm gonna add some rice wine vinegar. Actually, yeah, it's a brown rice vinegar, I think. Yeah, so this one, the organic certification. So you don't want to put too much, because I don't know you can say it, but just tiny bit. Yeah, just tiny. So just in case it has some naughty smell, right? So okay, that should be good. Yeah, you don't want to be overpowered. Yeah, so okay, then yeah. So underneath, I'm gonna show you. I've been cooking. I just added additional thick sliced tofu on the meat and organic veggie stew. All right, so okay. It's a warning lamp, a warning bell, I guess. Yeah, chime. I love this chime though. Yeah. So this is how I've been doing. So, okay, the underneath is the one that's already cooked. So all you need to, so I try not to waste the energy, right? So now, as I said, so normally I use stainless steel. Yeah, so made by Amwick cookware. It's the 10-liter model right here. So with the a steamer, but you can use other kinds as long as you're not using the Teflon coated one. So if you don't have the stainless steel one, you probably want to use either glass or the Texas style. What was that? The cast iron, right? So those are good. So please do your own research. Not because I say do so, but before you're gonna think again. It's always good to double check, right? Trust but verify. Okay, so yeah, so probably it's gonna take about 10 minutes or so, maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, just in case. Okay, so take care. See ya. Okay, so now just past 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna open up to see how it goes. Okay, so now, here. Ta-da! You see here? Now it's ready. So steamed horse mackerels and sardines. Okay, it's all fresh. The underneath with the tofu, thinly sliced tofu underneath. So then, of course, over here is the leftover meat and organic veggie stews. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna try this one. Okay then, I'm gonna use the chopsticks. Yeah. See how it goes. All right. Ooh, one. Okay. It's so flaky. That's all right. You know, it may not look good to you, but it doesn't matter because it's so good anyway. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put some olive oil. That's one of my fave. Okay, so organic olive oil, of course. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, gonna eat this one right now. Okay. Cheers, mate. Okay. So first, I'm gonna try with the horse mackerel. Okay, so. It's not overcooked at all, and a bit flaky and juicy inside. It's perfect. As long as it's new, not the older one, it's not fishy at all. It smells darn good, actually, to be honest with you. Yeah. Okay. It's good. So good. And then I'm gonna try the locally caught sardines. Okay, so yeah, it's anchovy. Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Not too strong, and it's just perfect in my humble opinion. Yeah, so please try. Okay. Okay. Once again, I do apologize. I've been eating like this because it's the chef's privilege. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for watching my video. You take care, right? So I continue to pray, all right, for the better future, and cheers for great health. Okay, take care, everybody. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Hi, thank you for watching my cooking shows. Those of you who enjoyed, please press the thumbs up and ring the bell. And then don't forget to subscribe my cooking channel so that you won't be missing the forthcoming cooking shows. Stay hungry and cheers, and make sure you stay strong and positive. All right, cheers. God bless you.